And so we're just going to review some exponent rules that you're probably already familiar with. We already know that a cubed is equal to a times a times a. We know that a cubed times a squared is actually equal to a times a times a times a times a, which is equal to a to the fifth. And so when we have the same base, we add the exponents. All right, well, let's try some division. Let's go with a to the fifth, and let's divide that by a cubed. And of course, that's a times a times a times a times a over a times a times a. And of course, those a's cancel, and we're left with a times a, which is equal to a squared. And so what it looks like is we subtract the exponents. No surprise there. Let's do this then. Let's do a cubed divided by a to the fifth, which is equal to a times a times a divided by a times a times a times a times a. And we do the cancellation, and this is what we're left with. So my question to you is a to the negative 2, that's a negative exponent. What does a negative exponent really mean?